This is a really quick tutorial video just to help you with the final part for research methods assignment 3 in terms of ensuring you fully get the merit. So the last part is you having to tell me why you use the t-test. So you've picked the basketball and netball experiment, which is the easiest one to do. This is evident from your study tasks. So what you need to do is go through a series of questions and ask yourself, so you know which test you need, and it needs to be fully explained. So first of all, the first question you need to ask yourself, is your data parametric or non-parametric? So it's this first question here. Don't just say my data is parametric and then move on to the next question. You need to fully explain to me why it's parametric. So for example, you're collecting ratio data because there's actual true frequencies, the amount the basket scored or netball shot scored. Therefore, ratio data is parametric, so therefore you have parametric data. Are you looking for a relationship or a difference? So that's the next question. It relates to this bit. We're looking for a difference. So your experiment was all about, is there a difference between basketball shooting and netball shooting? You're doing two different things, looking for a difference between the two of them. Therefore, you're looking for a difference. So you're now moving on to this next bit. How many sets of data do you have? Well, you've got two sets. So you've got your participants to do netball shooting, then you've got them to do basketball shooting. Therefore, you have two sets of data. Due to this, you now know you need a t-test. So state that. You now know you need a t-test. However, there's two types of t-test. So you need to tell me whether you need the dependent or the independent t-test. So that is the last question, and it brings us to this part of the diagram. You've tested the same subjects twice. Therefore, going by that diagram, it says you need a dependent t-test. However, in this case, you've got the same subjects doing a different thing. You've got them doing netball shooting and then basketball shooting. Because they're doing different things, you need the independent t-test. That is what you need to do each time, like I have, is go into that detail, say why after each of those questions. You can include this diagram if you like. It's a good visual in terms of helping you. This diagram still has the typo on it, but if you download the one that's on the PowerPoint, it will say Spearman's here instead, so please use that. You can just use it from the PowerPoint and just reference it as lecture notes from Alex Leach 2016. Make sure you go into that detail because that'll make sure you get the merit. Apart from that, overall the study tasks were really strong. This is just the last bit. You need to make sure you get enough detail in it. Make sure you explain rather than describe. This is just a quick extra bit as I forgot to put it in the previous video. Please also include your t-test result. So include that table from the Excel spreadsheet from what we did in class. Then also tell me whether your results are significant or not, or why. All your results are significant. So there's a significant difference because it's the p-value is under 0.05. Please make sure you include that as well.